So I just got up now, washed my face. Yeah, and I just wanted to show you guys something that the weather in place where I stay is really all monsoon, rainy, and all that. So, but today, actually, the place where I live is, I have a borderline of the forest there. Means not a forest, but there are pine trees, but basically it's kind of a woody area. So, what I wanted to show you guys today only. After moving to this place, I have seen such a beautiful scene. So I'll just show you guys. I'll turn the camera that side one second. See guys, oh my god. Just see that. Let me off the flashlight for you guys. See well. Yeah. See, that is the pine tree line which stretches all over there. That side I think you can't see that much. But here just see how it is. Yeah. I don't think you can see, but it is actually really visible. But right now it's drizzling, raining from morning, and I saw this line of mist all over the place. It looks so nice. See? This view is pretty beautiful, except for those buildings, frankly. I love the trees, I love the woody area. Um, No, in person, I wish you could see this in person because in the camera it doesn't look so as I mentioned. But as a person, you see, you know the difference. Yeah, see that, man. You know these pine trees, whenever. Uh, oh my god, it's increasing more and more. It's coming to this side, I guess. These pine trees, um, what was I saying? Yeah, even if it is so bright out, this is the thing facing the north. This is the north direction, and basically, this is the east direction. So I can see the sun beautifully coming through all the windows over here. But even if the sun is penetrating through the glass and it is falling on my floor, here I can always see that. Sorry. Here I can always see that it is always still cloudy and everything. I don't know what is with these woods because when in the east direction you can get sunlight and here it is still cloudy. So I think the place, the home that I stay, it's pretty cold. It's really chilly. It's just October now. I'm just waiting to see how it is in December and November and all that. So I don't know. It needs to be really hot to have sunny at this point of the thing because that's as I said. Even if it is sunny this side, it always tends to look cloudy here. That's weird. If it is too sunny, it is too hot. It's like 32 degrees Celsius outside. Then maybe you can see the sun coming out over here. So basically, in this direction, I have rarely seen bright sunlight. Whatever sunlight I can see is only through this east direction. So guys, I just woke up. It's just 8 o'clock in the morning. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Frankly, the camera, it is not looking so as I mentioned, but frankly, if you're here, you can just see the beauty. Frankly, I think let's zoom in. Just those trees. See? Leave the buildings, ditch the buildings. Hey, that side of the pine trees you basically can't see. It is so misty. See, I think now you can see better. Yep. See, misty, misty, foggy, foggy. I hope you did like this thing. It's just my morning. Hi, good morning to all of you, and plus something I wanted to share because this doesn't happen often in the area where I live in. So I have moved here just 6 months back. So this is the first time I was seeing, and I thought you guys also would enjoy. Now I can see the mist. It's already coming here. It's so beautiful. Wish I was in the terrace, but it is raining from morning, and I hate wet weather. It's like, oh no. I like summers, I like winters, but I don't like this rainy. It should just maybe rain continuously in the night and be summery in the morning. That is kind of a weather which I like, but not like continuously raining like this and wet, wet, wet for all these days. So guys, okay, I'll end this video, and I want to show you my catty. My catty. Oh, catty. He's sleeping on my sofa. Bojo. He's cuddled up. Oh, he's telling you guys good morning. He's cuddled up on the couch. He's cuddled up on the couch, right? Feeling cold? Butu. Butu. Alright, guys. See, guys, this is taken in the afternoon. See, you can see the difference between the morning video and right now. I'll zoom in, okay? Yeah, see, this is that woods behind that you can see. There are pine trees. So you can see the left side of the tree also, which was nearly invisible in the morning, early morning. Ah, beautiful. Nice day. Happy Thursday. Bye, guys. Bye.